XENE stock. Xenon Pharmaceuticals Inc. currently trading at $28.412, a gain of 82.24% in this session of the 4th of October 2021. So the stock right now, based on what is going on this 1 minute live model, has lost some steam. It's no longer as bullish as it were before, based on what's going on now. But looking at the daily model, a much more broader picture, the stock is strongly bullish at the moment. Volume is at 31.182 million shares, and we can always have a look and see what the figures are. Shares outstanding is 41.134 million. The float will be less than that, so it gives you an idea that it's a very heavy session. And the news behind this extension is that it announced top line results from the phase 2b clinical trial, which evaluated the efficacy, safety, and tolerability of its potential epilepsy drug XEN 1101. The company said the study met its primary efficacy endpoint, as the drug candidate showed a statistically significant and dose-dependent decrease in seizure frequency and as compared to placebo. So that is what's going on with the stock, strongly bullish. So based on the daily model, you can see MACD easily above the signal line, MACD histogram above 0 and extending. What's more, RSI at 81, indicating the bullish signal is there and strong as well. What else do we have? Do we have any price targets here? Okay, Reuters has a $27.88 price target. This was as at sometime in 2014, so the stock has now exceeded that. Okay, based on the readouts here, it says it appears easily to be in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above 0 and rising. It's outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for XENE strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay higher prices for shares. They are doing that definitely. The last 10 days have seen significant volume in XENE stock, with average daily volume above the average for the last TA. Today's volume is no exception, with 30.508 million shares having crossed the tape so far, more than about 31 now and counting. 31 million and counting. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are definitely more active than sellers. This is not the first session it ran up this gain. This extension began slightly on the 1st of October. Now it's blown away with this news. So, but left to us, we don't think this stock is really going to extend that far. It may not even reach $30, just shy of it. May have reached there in the pre-market session, but we don't think it's going to reach there. We actually think maybe there's a good chance, if not in the subsequent session, that's the session of the 5th, in the other one, it might retrace. We don't see it extending any further. We see it going sideways, cooling off. We see it doing that. But before now, it had a slightly bullish trend, but that's some time ago, early this year, 2021. But pretty much this year has been moving sideways. As a matter of fact, it was actually retracing, trading below all of its moving averages before it started to rally again. So going by what has happened, we don't expect it to extend any further as such. But also be really careful right now. You can see the extension has rolled up. It's a very steep incline, and the angle of attack is very steep. So just be really careful with this one. We don't expect it to exceed $30. As a matter of fact, we expect it to begin to move sideways again. So just be really careful with Xenon's stock, XENE stock. So let's see if it's optionable as well. There's a good chance it is. Yes, it is optionable. Yes, absolutely. And let's see what the prices are like. So it's at let's see the $30 strike. What the prices are. I think that's what we're looking at here. It's okay. I think the prices are $3.40 now. I think $3.40 or thereabout. $3.40. So yeah, see what you make of XENE stock, but we're not very confident about it. We don't expect it to extend any further. As a matter of fact, it's been just moving sideways pretty much. Okay, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.